Has the clothes rod ever fallen down in your RV? Well, it sure has in ours. That's what I'm fixing to show ya. Hey y'all, I'm Cole, and this is Younger Every Day. So basically we bought a fifth wheel, sold all our stuff in Texas, packed up the kids and the dog, and headed west. Now I'm going to school, and we're loving this crazy RV life. On this channel we do product reviews, take you on amazing adventures, and share tips and tricks for RV living, just like this one. So if you're new here, click subscribe and join the Younger Gang, and don't forget to ring that bell so you get notified every time we post a new video. If you haven't seen some of our other videos, you can click right up here to get caught up. Today I'm going to show you what happens when you have a clothing rod situated perpendicular to the length of your trailer. Our master bedroom has a walk-in closet in the cap on the front of the trailer, and so what happens is when you're driving down the highway, sometimes that closet rod wants to jump out of place, and when it does, it's really a pain. So today I'm wondering if you might be able to help us out with a solution. So, just getting everybody to bed. We got set up in Las Vegas tonight, and I had a great trip. But we get here, and I was hoping that the clothing rod can handle the trip, but I was wrong. So you can see the result here. This is where the clothing rod goes, and also right here. And you can see this part of the rod is U-shaped, which is probably good for installing a new rod and when you put it in, but it's not so good for going on bumpy roads where you're like porpoising. Yeah, this is about probably the 10th time that the clothing has jumped out of the track, so to speak, the clothing rod. And you can see, but when that many clothes push up against the door, it tends to make it jump the track. Now, we never had it jump the track before until, I don't know, maybe we got to Clovis, so I've got to fix that, figure that out. It's not as simple as you might think, but this is getting old. We got to have a solution for this because I get tired of having to pick up all the clothes, fix the rack, and sometimes I can pick up the rod and just get it all back in there together, but not today. The last few times I've had to just pick the clothes up, lay them on the bed, hang the rod back up, and then hang the clothes up. So, we got to do something about that. That's the problem with our closet rod jumping out of place. Now I want to know, have you ever had this problem? Let us know in the comments below, especially if you fixed it, because we need help. I'm not sure what to do with this. I'm an engineer and I love fixing stuff, but I thought, hey, let's call on the community and see what ideas you have for correcting this issue. If you enjoyed today's video, give us a thumbs up and let us know you liked it, and don't forget to click subscribe and join the Younger Gang. Also, I hope you'll check out some of our other videos right over here. So, having our clothing rod jump out of place about 10 or 12 times and then deciding to make a video about it and ask for help from our community, it's just another way we're living younger every day. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.